Made it through TSA. We're walking to the gate now. We are in Houston. Finally. We made it, gang. We made it. Good morning, guys. It is day one of us officially, aside travel being in Houston. And today we are going to go to Tesla and explore the different areas in Chinatown and get some makeup, get some groceries, take some cute pictures, get ice cream, and then come back, get the other ticket. Because there, as y'all know, tickets aren't transferable, at least through AXS, until 3 days before the event. So I'm gonna do that today with the person that we bought them from. And I'm so excited. I think my hair and my makeup and my outfit is looking so cute. Let me show you what I have laid out. This is what I have laid out. And obviously you guys saw my hair, so it's blue central. This is like a tealy blue, like very much turquoise. And my hair is like a blue. That's pink, obviously, but I think this is so cute. I don't know, I can't wait to try this on. And these shorts are very short, as y'all saw in my first body haul try on. As y'all can see, Airbnb, so pretty. It's me. But yeah, I'm excited for a decent amount of things planned for today. Money, but it's okay because money comes back. So I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna do my makeup, and then I'll see you guys in a bit.
This is kind of what I'm gonna. I wish I had my nails on, but also at the same time I don't.
Okay, I'll see you when we're about to leave. I'm so happy with this look, it's so cute. My outfit for today, these are BB kids glasses. These are two cinema roll decoden type style clips I got from Miss Sunshine Nails. This is a Baby the Stars Shine Bright, Baby the Stars Shine Bright blouse cardigan. This is a Mars mini dress that I just rolled up. These are Kokolulu mini booty shorts. This is an Alberosa belt. And then I have my Vivienne Westwood choker on and the earrings. Yep. Cute. We're gonna get ready. We're gonna literally leave now, so. Have arrived. We're here. All right, let's go. Oh, it's so big. Huh? It's so big. I'm working all the wrong way. Can make one. Strawberry rum bottle. Look at Pikachu. Cinnamon roll, so cute.
Oh, I was like, what is going on here? We're gonna see what this tastes like. It's probably gonna taste like a regular ramen noodle. Oh, yeah, basically.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you, lady?
Good, thank you. Just made a really cute MOA friend. Jermaine, if you're watching this, thank you for saying hi. And I hope I see you at the concert. We are in H Mart right now.
A million times more, you know. And it has already been noodle won't. An entree, like. My question is, what is the original?
Transformation, like the trading card thingies?
Oh, yeah.
You done made that dinner, boys. So yummy. Looking